Introducing the Tohnichi DOTE50N3-G-MD Torque Tester, a revolutionary tool that will transform your torque measurement processes. Engineered by Tohnichi, this advanced torque tester combines exceptional accuracy with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable asset for quality control and testing applications. With a broad torque range of 5 to 50 Newton meters, the Tohnichi DOTE50N3-G-MD Torque Tester caters to various testing requirements, providing precise and reliable measurements. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, this torque tester delivers highly accurate and repeatable measurements, ensuring confidence in your testing results. The intuitive keypad setup allows for seamless operation and easy access to multiple units of measure, enhancing user convenience. Built with durability in mind, the Tohnichi DOTE50N3-G-MD Torque Tester features a robust design that withstands rigorous use in demanding testing environments. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Tohnichi DOTE50N3-G-MD Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, exceptional accuracy, user-friendly interface, and sturdy construction make it an indispensable tool for quality control professionals and technicians alike. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience precision and reliability like never before.